Hey guys, do you struggle with long division? After this video, you'll see how simple long division is. Here at Master and Learn It, we make learning easy and fun. Let's get right in. In this video, we are going to divide 2598 divided by 12. So if you don't know how to divide by 12, it's always easy to make a times table for that number. If it's 12, you make a times table for 12 as I've done that. If it was a 13, you could also make your own 13 times table so that it makes easy for you to divide. The second step you need to know is when we're using long division, there's a sequence that we follow. We divide first, we times, we subtract, and we bring down. So these are the steps we're going to be repeating until the final answer. And the first thing that we do when we're dividing is to make a division line, which I'm going to do that. And the bigger number being divided is 2598. And the smaller number dividing is 12. So the first step, so let's get started. The first step is to divide. So you are not saying 12 divided by 2, but you are dividing what's inside. So that's 2 divided by 12. In other words, I'm simply sending you to the 12 times table to find the answer to. Remember, everything written equals to are the answers. So these are the answers. So in other words, when I say 2 divided by 12, go to the 12 times table and look for the answer 2. This is answer 0, this is answer 12. So answer 2 is somewhere here, and I cannot say it. So you always choose the number on top. So I'm choosing the number on top here. So what multiplied 12 to get this 0? It's this 0. So I put my 0 or just a placeholder here. The second step is to times. 0 times 12 is 0. You put your 0 down here. The third step is to minus. 2 minus 0 is 2. The third step is to minus, yes. The fourth step is to bring down. So we are bringing the next number here, 5. You bring down 5 and this number becomes 25. And we repeat the step again. And how do we do it? You don't say 12 divided by 25, but you divide what's inside 25 being divided by 12. And what that means is go to the 12 times table and look for the answer 25. So I'm looking, these are my answers here. I'm looking for the answer 25. This is 24. Answer 25 is lying somewhere here, isn't it? So you use the numbers on top, which is 24. What multiplied 12 to give you 24 is 2. So this is what you write. So you always write it on top. So that's 2. The second step after dividing is to times. 2 times 12 is 24. The third step is to minus. 5 minus 4, that's 1. 2 minus 2, that's 0. The fourth step is to bring down. So I bring down this 9 and I get 19. And once again, from bringing down, we repeat the step again, we divide. And in this case, we are dividing 19 divided by 12. And I'm sure you know, go to the 12 times table, look for the answer 19. Where is 19? 19 is supposed to be here because this is 12, this is 24. So 19 is somewhere here. So you use what's your answer on top. What multiplied 12 to get 12? It's 1. So I put my 1 here. The second step is to times, and when you're timesing, don't say 21 times 12 because we've already times the 2. It's 1 times 12, it's 12. We minus. The third step is to minus. 9 minus 2, that's 7. 1 minus 1, that's 0. The fourth step is to bring down. So I bring down this 8 and I get 78. Going back to the first step is to divide. 78 divided by 12. Where is 78? Tell me where is 78? I see 72. So 78 is somewhere here. So we use the answer on top, which is 72. What multiplied 12 to give you 72? It's 6. So you write your 6 on top. The second step is to times. 6 times 12, if you don't know, it's written here. 12 times 6, it's 72. The third step is to minus. So 8 minus 2, that's 6. 7 minus 7, that's 0. The fourth step is to bring down. What am I going to bring down here? There is nothing. So this 6 is our remainder. So remainder 6. So our final answer, when 2598 divided by 12, we get 216, remainder 6. So that's how you do with long division. You always have to follow these steps. If you find this video to be really helpful, give it a big thumbs and always share to your friends and anybody who might really want this video. Always subscribe to Master and Learn It, where we make learning easy and fun. See you in the next video.